Doku wins the corner off Wan-Bissaka. Danger to Manchester United. Going into their own trap that they're set for. Doku held up by Wan-Bissaka. Doku. Doku. Certainly central to any. Now Foden. It's a bit of street football there. Bissaka.
He has to get this right. What a challenge.
Approaching the edge of the 18-yard box.
To find Bueno again, forward from left back. What a Wan-Bissaka taking.
Fernandes finds Mudryk.
Oh, good. Nottingham Forest top score defender in the Premier League than Aaron Wan-Bissaka.
Wilfried Zaha through into towards the penalty.
And now they're in behind again. Wan-Bissaka.
Viol has taken that on the run.